Paling.
Ikot ka ba ba nga? Magpasok. Thank you. Okay, okay. Don't talk to this mic and I'll ban whatever we want. Okay?
Paling.
Paling ba?
Ay, no, tingnan mo tong ganyan. Yan ka tumingin eh. Pag ano, no? Ganyan eh.
Mababa ako. Yan.
Tingin. Yan. Yan, yan, yan. Ah, mando mo pala po.
Lobby.
Low.
Si ano, si Bon yung ano ba yun?
May ano ngayon, pwede siya.
May 27 na? Hindi na yung aming chat.
Pag pinasok yung locals nila,
Number 32, Lobo. Pinasa kay number 8. It's good by number 8. Flores. Number 22. Pass to number 4. Out of bound. Same ball. Number 4. Pass to number Nagani. Corpus.
Ah, hindi naman si Bon.
Number 3, Corpus. Number 3, Pinasakay. Number 35. Pass to number 22, Flores. Pass to number 4. Out of bounds. Same ball.
orange last time yung ano nila, yung jersey. Eh, si Flores, di ba? Tanda mo?
Number 19. Shot. No good. Nakuha ni. Number 90 pa rin. No good pa rin nakuha ni number 3. Corpus. Number 3 nagmamadali. Number 3. It's good by number 3. Flores. Number 22. Flores. Foul.
Cute ng jersey.
Number 8.
Apple green.
First personal foul. First team foul. Number 32, Flores. Pass to number 4. Bagas. Number 4 layup. It's good by number 4. Number 8. Pass to number 22. Lobo pass to. Number 22 again. Number 22. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 0. Pass to number 22. Tumira. No good na kuha ni number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 22. Flores. Number 22. Number 22. Number 22 Maldak. Number 22 pa din. Number 22. Tumira. No good na kuha ni number 0. Number 3, Corpus. Pass to number. No, but nakuha ng out of bounds. Tuwa na lang. Smash. Number 22. Pass to number 72. Pass to number Vega. Number 19, Vega. Pinasa. Nakuha ni. Out of bounds. Tuwa na lang. Smash ball. Number 22. Number 22. Number 22. Jump shot. No good na kuha ni number 22. Lover pass to number 3. Corpus. Lumayap. No good na kuha ni number 0. Number 0. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 72, maglalang. Pinasa kay Vega, foul. Number 0, si Bai. First personal foul. Number 22, correction. First team foul. Second team foul.
Ano, na-shoot mo muna. Na-shoot?
Oo.
Ba't di mo nila kinalampasan?
Nakakuha ni Laura. Foul. Post foul rep. Number 72. Number 72.
Baba mo kaya para magpantay.
Pinasa kay number 0. Bye. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Pinasa kay Corpus. Tumira. It's good by Corpus. Flores. Number 22. Pass to Magdala. Pass to Vega. Pass to number 35. Foul. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Number 3. First personal foul. Third team foul. First try. It's good. Second try.
Oh, 7-4 na?
It's good again. Deadlock ball. Corpus. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 22, Lobo. Number 22. Number 22, big shot. It's good by number 22. Flores, number 22 there. Flores.
Ito mo kayo score, Ben.
Pinasa kay Becca, number 19. Kumanda. Tumira. Traveling violation.
Sure ka?
Number 8, Bola. Number 8, pass to Corpus. Corpus pass to Bai. Kumanda. Edwan. Who's foul rep?
Center may bola ko.
Number 4. First personal foul. Second team foul. Polestar is go. It's good. Number 22, Flores. Pinasa sa ilalim sa number 35. It's good by number 35. Corpus. Number 3. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 22. Tumira ng 3. No, kung nakakuha ni number 4. Nakakuha ni Pega. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Number 22 pa rin. Number 22. Traveling violation. Number 22, Lava. Number 22 pa rin. 15 seconds to shoot. Pinasa kay number 8. Number 8 kumaldak. Pinasa kay Corpus number 3. Number 3 umikot. Nakakuha ni number 22. 7 seconds to shoot. It's good by number 22. Number 0. By nakakuha ni Vega. Foul. Outside. Double rep, substitution. Bypass to number 3, Corpus, jump shot. No good na kuha ni number 35, Gonzalez. Number 35, pinasa kay number 22. Number 22, pass to number 0. Number 0, it's good by number 0. Right, nakakuha ni number 22. Number 22. Number 32, Flores. Flores, pinasa sa ilalim may maglalang. It's no good ang one number. Number 0. By number 0. Number 0 pa din. Pinasa kay Lobo. Jump shot. No good ang nakakuha ni. Nakakuha ng out of bounds. Flores by. All over net. Substitution. Minutes exactly. Number 32. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Trabiling violation. Tabrena. Number 20. Pass to number 22. Lobo. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 9. Foul. Blast the basket. Who's foul ulit? Number 35, first personal foul, third team foul. Bonus draw by number 99. It's good. Flores, number 32, pinababa ni wala ni Flores. Pass to number 24, pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez kumalta. 10 seconds to shoot. Kuha na. Jump ball. On the ball rep. Substitution. Same ball, smash ball. Number 75. Pass to Solo. Pass to number 75. Garcia tumira ng 3. No good na kuha ni number 99. Number 99 pass to number 20. Reto Tabuena. Number 20. Pinasa kay Bay. Tumira. No good na kuha ni number 0. Pass to Flores. Pass to number 75. It's good by number 75. Number 20, Tabuena, pass to number 99. Pass to Cocos, pass to Lobo, tumira. It's good by number 22, Lobo. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 1, Soilo. Pass to Flores. Jump shot. No good na kuha ni Tabuena. Number 20, nagmamadali, lumipat na. No good na kuha number 15. Pass to number 22. Number 22, pinasa kay number 0, tumira, logo na kuha ni number 99. Number 99, lumipad, logo na kuha ni number 20. Number 20, fake, pinasa kay Lobo, tumira, na 3, logo na kuha ni number 0. Pass to number, out of bounds. On the ball net, substitution. Pasok na, papasok.
Ano, sana ba?
Tabuena. Pass to number 3, Cocos. Tumira ng 3. Kapos.
Hindi ko lang alam kung bakit may lang. Na-upload na yung kita mo yun.
Soilo number 1. Soilo. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 24.
Birthday ni Delgado.
Nakakuha ni Bay. Pass to number 3. Cocos. Number 3. Cocos pa din. Pinasa kay Tabuena. Pass to number 3. 15 seconds to shoot. Binigay kay Bay. Ayan na si Bay. It's good by number 0 Bay. Soilo. Number 1. Pinasa kay number 24. Jump shot. It's good by number 24. Tabuela pass to number 3. Pinasa. Nice deal. Number 1. Number 8. Pass to Sarla number 1. Pinasa number 8. Number 8. It's good by number 8. Lobo pa rin. Black and Blau. Number 0. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 20, 1 minute exactly. Number 22, Lobo sumalaksak. Pinasa kay Number 1, Silo. Ahead pass to number 3, Corpus. Number 3, it's good by number 3, 45 seconds. Pasang na lang po. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Pasang na lang po. 25 seconds. Foul. Number 20. Number 20. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. 21 seconds remaining time. Pasang na lang po.
Hindi, parang ano
First
kasi.
round, hagod. Second round. It's good.
Parang uulan na
21 seconds. Pasang na lang po. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 6 seconds. 5 seconds. End of first quarter.
Pati mo si ano ba? Delgado. Birthday boy. Kaso wala dyan eh.
Happy birthday po kay ano, Delgado. Oh, dyan siya. Number 27 yun. Nakaraan. Yun nga yung hinahanap na natin. Sa ganda.
Carpus. JJ nagawa na check wala na ako number 1 pass number 8. Number 8 umistap na check bulan.
Ayoko. Wala rin si ano. Delgado.
Zaira. Binigay kay number 75. Number 75 binigay lang sa ilalim. Binigay kay number 8. 10 seconds to shoot Zaira. Shot, it's the one now by number 28, Paso Carlos, TG cross up the ropes and on the ref. Traveling violation, tinawag natin referee. Number 1, pass number 24, Paro or pass number 0, Braga is the one now by Pinkman, pass Renre. Ren Tabuena may gangan na bola. Pass number 28 kumanda. Number 28 pick. Binigay kay Tabuena. Binigay sa gilid. Villarama. It's good para kay Villarama. Number 1. Soilo. Binigay kay Bragais. Binigay kay number 75. Number 75 pumasok sa gitna Garcia. It's the good na ako number 8. Villanueva. Pumalta gano'n na ako ref. Traveling violation. Tinawag na referee sa ilalim.
Gigi. Foul, loose ball red. Number 24, foul, Rungaw. First personal foul. First team foul. Tabuena is cleared by number 0. Pinigay kay Gigi na check bola na ako ni number 1, Zoilo. Na-check bola na ako ni number 0. Nawala ang bola. Sa kanya pa rin. Number 0 pa rin. Crossover moves kumaltag. Pinigay kay number 19. Pinigay kay Tabuena. Shot. It's no good. Na ako ni out of bounds. Bola na ang smash. Call to refs. Substitution. Pasok na ba sila labas? Number 42. Tibang pass number Parungaw. Tibang again. Tibang pinagay kay Garcia. It's no good na ako ni Corpus. Corpus sa may tangan na bola. Corpus pa rin. Corpus pa rin ang tanaka. Corpus pa rin. Corpus ang nababasahan. Binigay kay number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 0. Kung kabilaan o good na ako na number 24. Number 24. Pass number 42. Tibang dito double team. Tibang na-check ko lang net pero out of bounds. Bola na. Manlabo. Number 20. Pass number 3, Corpus. Number 3, Corpus pa rin. Corpus pass number 28. Tumira, it's good off the glass para kay number 28. Number 42, Tiba. Pinigay kay number 75, Garcia ng crib na buwan na ko ni outside. Substitution, pasok na sila labas.
Ano nga yan yung ulan na hindi tutuloy?
Pillanero paso Tabuena shot. Ang lakas naman nakuha ni number 0. Number 0 susubok umikot. Ano daw rep? Out of bounds para na ang smash. Number 22. Paso number 42. Paso number 24 Parungaw. It's no good na ako ni Pega. Binigay sa number 22 Flores. Magkana nga pumasok sa gitna. Shot. It's good para kay Flores. Reren na may tangan ng bola. Reren pa rin. Nagkana pa po sa binigay kay Gigi Tumira ng 3. No good na ako ni Tabuena. Na-check one na sa kanya pa rin. Tabuena pa rin. Pinigay kay Gigi kumakanta. Paso number 28. It's no good na ako ni Gigi. Foul, loose ball rep. Number 8. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Tsaka ko lang pinindot yung papatayin ko na. Buti hindi pumasok.
Damok.
Call to refs. Substitution. Pasok sila labas.
Patungan mo doon.
Yung dahan naman kasi sa bulting nga na dyan. Ano, ilang? 15.
Two para kay Corpus.
Butas ang ilong mo na papanood din eh.
42 Tibang Johnny sa buwan ako ni number 5. Number 5, pass number. Gigi, number 3, Corpus binigay sa gilid number 8. It's the ball in and out. Nakuha ni number 24. Pass number 22, Flores. Binigay kay number 19 na wala ang bola. Sa kanya pa rin. Binigay kay number 2. Binigay kay number 42. Tibang, it's good. Para kay Tibang. Number 3. Pass number 8. Number 8 na may dahil na bola. Number 8 pa rin. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha number 22, Flores pa rin. It's the ball now on number 28, binigay kay Gigi. Gigi number 3. Number 3, binigay lang sa malaki. It's good para kay number 5. Number 24, Parungaw. Parungaw, it's good para kay Parungaw. Number 5, Lagman. Lagman na nababasahan, binigay kay number 28. Number 28, nababasahan, binigay kay Gigi. Corpus, binigay sa ilalim. Binigay lang kay Villarama, side step, move na buwan na ni number Paso. Parungaw, Paso, Tibang kami na ng bola, Tibang pa rin. Kumandang, shot, it's the ball and on the red. Ball number red sa Suja, pasok na sa labas. Foul number 8. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Kala ko siya yan. May pala sabi ko
Number
ba?
28. Number 28. Pinigay kay number 3. Pinigay kay Lagman. It's good para kay Lagman. Tama ba?
Dalawa sila naglalaro?
Zoilo domina ng tres.
Ha?
Chichi. Pass number 8 pala. Pinigay kay Tambasakan. Tambasakan sa M7 mo. Na-event. Traveling violation tinawag ng dalawang referee. Number 22. Number 22, Flores. Flores pasok Vega. Vega. Pinigay kay Flores again. Domira ng tres. Dogo na ko ni number 28. Number 28. Number 28, wala bola ko ni Chichi. Pinigay kay Lagman. Lagman pa rin. Lagman dahan-dahan lang. Lagman pa rin. Kumapila. It's good para kay Lagman. Check ball. Same ball. Controversial sa Suja. Pasok na ba? Number 42, fake. Pinigay kay number 19. Teka kumandag. Tumaw sa gitna. Ano ang tawag? Foul for the F number 5. Lagman. First personal foul. First team foul. Flores. Inbound ball. Paso. Number 41. Tibang Kalidjun. Nagod na wari. Number. Pinigay lang kay Villarama. Villarama. It's good para kay Villarama. Tibang number 42. Number 42. It's good para kay number 42. Chichi. Pass number 29. Fernandez. Daktang ka sa tres. Dogon na ko ni Polor. Out of bounds. Polor smash. Zoilo. Pass number 22. Flores pa rin. Flores binigay kay number 19. Kumandang shot. It's number 10. Ako number 3. Number 3. Number 3 pa rin. Number 3 pa rin. Binigay kay number 39. Pass number 19. It's good para kay number 19. Number 42. Tibang may tangan na ball. Pass number 1. Zoilo. Tumira na good na ako ni substitution.
Nag-iinit ngayon? Malagkit na ngayon.
Chichi number 3. Corpus, paso number 39, paso number 5, paso Villarama. Big shot. It's good para kay Villarama. Gonzales paso, Tibang Bomira ng red. 3 points. Good tayo. Number 8. Pass number 5. Paso. Villarama. Pass number 3. Corpus. Corpus. Corpus pa rin. Corpus pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Corpus shot. It's double down number 35. Pass number 22. Villarama. Pinigay kay Zoilo. Zoilo. Zoilo pa rin. It's good para kay Zoilo. Pinigay kay number. Bolon. Pinigay kay number. Pinigay kay number 5. It's the good. Nako ni number 22. Villarama. Sumita ka na bola. Lawrence, binigay kay number 42, it's good para kay Diva. Papasali na. Malabo. Papasali mo ang kalabangan ng Malabo. Megla, pasa Chichi. Oh my god, Chichi pa rin. Chichi, pasa number 99. Number 99, paso Villarama. Villarama pa rin binigay kay Lagman. 10 seconds to shoot. Lagman, binigay kay Villarama, pumasok sa gitna. Na-check ko na ako ni Gonzales. Kaso number 42, Diva, wala ang bola na mali out of bounds. Save ball. 18 seconds to shoot. Number 19, Villarama, fouls for them. Number 22, Lores. First person foul. 30 foul. First goal is good. Nakuha ni number 22, Lores na Mercenan, wala pa rin ako ni Pipa. Shot na ko naman ni Lagman. Lagman, paso Villarama. Paso Gigi pa rin. Pumasok sa gitna, pinigay kay Villarama. Nakuha na ako ni number 4, na wala bola, nakuha ni number 0. Number 0, paso number 3, paso number 0 again. Number 0, paso number 3 again. Paso number 19, it's good para kay Villarama. Diva. Paso ko Zoilo. Zoilo, may tahan na bola pinigay kay Diva again. Diva, pinigay kay Flores. Lumina, it's good para kay Flores. Number 11. Paso number 3. Oras na lang po tayo, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Diva. Flores, 5 seconds. It's good. And on the side. Score 99. 41-47 in favor of Malabo.
Kabisado ni Itig, ha? Eh, Itig ko pa. Huwag na tayo mga kontrata.
Ha?
Huwag na tayo mga kontrata.
Mag-iwalay na tayo, gusto mo pa eh. Gusto mo mag-iwalay pa tayo.
Kaya bangkot mo para dalawa.
Lumindor ba talaga?
First game pa lang. Ilan?
Kung sino. Ang init.
Mas tayo. Bakit?
41-47 is a score, 6-point lead. Manlopo. Okay, number 22 pass to number. Here we go, number 17. Outside.
Guys, sa letrong B.
Okay, Manlopo. Pass to number. To number 0. To the middle, no good. Para what is the ball goes to. Here comes Rush basketball. Number 22, intercept. Okay, Manlopo again. Number 20. Shot clock down to 16. Number 22. And sorry, number 8. Violation. King Gray. No good. Number 35 get the ball to number 42. Another miss. The ball goes to block. Manlopo again. Look to open man. Pass to number 20. Shot clock down to 10. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Cross court pass. Pipe shoot and outside. Sorry, outside.
Lesero ah.
Last 9 minutes and 2 to play. Only third quarter. Okay, number 42 pass to number Lawless. Lawless to the middle. Pull up jumper. Yes. Oh, yes. 47, 45. Sorry, 43, 47. Okay, number 20 to the middle. Extra pass. Big. Head pass. And get a foul. Foul, play number.
Sorry guys, ano na tayo guys?
Play number
English.
35.
Language na tayo may
Foul by
support.
number, second personal foul by number 35. First team foul. Okay, on the line. Basket for the Burrs. Okay, last throw. Last throw, jumpers ready. Miss. Okay, number 22, Flores. Flores setting a play to the left wing. Pulls. 45, 48. Down 3 points. Okay, Manlopo again. Number 22, pass to number 20. Extra pass to number 5. Shot lock down to 10. Number 5, pull up jumper. No good. Number 35, get the ball. Here we go, smash basketball again. Shot lock down to 18. Flores. Pass to number big and 5. Miss. Number 72, up the glass basket. 47, 48. Down to 1 point. Okay, Manlopo again. Number 26. Number 20, sorry. To number 22. Pull up jumper. Pulls eye. 47, 50. 3-point lead, Manlopo. Almost intercept to number 42. Extra pass. And sorry. Violation. Last 7 minutes and 28 to play in the third quarter. Okay, number 20. Number 20 to the middle. Beautiful. 47-52. Okay, number 22, Flores. Flores big to number 5. Basket. 49-52. And 3 points. Number 0. And the foul. Foul by number 35. Third personal foul by number 35. Second team foul. Okay, number 22. Number 22 pass to number. Shot lock down foul. Ready to shoot. Number 20. To number 0. Hey, 7 miss. And the ball goes to. Okay, smash basketball again. To number 42. Up the glass. And basket. Foul. Foul by number 0. Foul by number 22. Second personal foul by number 22. First team foul. Number 20. Shot clock down to 14. To number 22, Lobo. Bang! Put on his ball. And the ball goes to intercept again. Another intercept, number 22. To number 42, to number 22, back to number 42. And no good. Number 20 get the ball and outside. Right. Number 3 in Corpus. Okay, Maan Lobo again. Number 22. Number 22, setting a play. To number 22, taking three. No good. Number 0, get the ball. Okay, smash basketball again. Number 22 to number taking three. No good. And number 35, taking fire. And then foul. Foul by number 5. 2 free throw. Second personal foul by number 5, second team foul. Okay, number 35, Gonzalez on the line for a 2 to make 2. He's for the pass. Okay, last throw. Basket this time. It's a deadlock. All 52 is the score under 5 minutes and 45 on the third quarter. Okay, number. Maan Lobo again. Shot clock down the ground. To number 0. To number 20. Black. Excellent defense. What a beautiful block. Basket play. Number 35. Maan Lobo. Change paper. 54-52 is the score. 3-point lead. Under 5 minutes and 25 to the third quarter.
5 minutes?
Okay, Maan Lobo again. Number 3, Corpus. Corpus setting a play. Shot clock down 14. Inside pass. Intercept. But the ball goes to Maan Lobo again. Number 20. To number 5. Lays up and miss. And sorry. Foul by number 0. Official foul. Second personal foul by number 0, third team foul. Corpus, pull-up jumper, yes! Ooh, yes! Another deadlock, all 54. Slash to the middle. To number 0, basket. Shot by number 0. Okay, Maan Lobo again. Shot clock down to 16. Number 3, Corpus. Look to open man. Shot lock down to 10. Corpus. Pass to number 0. 5 to shoot. Thinking great.
3 points yan?
Another change. Paper. 56-57 is the score. 1 point lead now. Maan Lobo. Okay, number 35, Gonzalez. Gonzalez look to open man. Shot lock down 6. Pull-up jumper. Basket. Play number 23, Flores. Ping-pong score. 58-57. 1 point lead now. Smash basketball. Okay, number 8 to number 0. Number 0. No, he's coming. No good. And the ball goes to Green again. Here comes number 22, Flores. Flores to number 7, 60-57. 3-point lead now, smash basketball. Okay, number 20. Number 22, number 22, Tinky Gray. Another deadlock, all 60 is the score.
Nag-iinit na sa tres.
Okay, number 22, Flores. Flores, Harasi, look at double team, pass the number. Extra pass. And basket. First foul. Foul. Play number.
Galing ah.
Number 5. Third personal foul by number 5. Third team foul. Okay, Gonzalez on the line. Miss ball. Last 3 minutes exactly. Number 0. Shot lock down the 14. Ooh, sorry.
Parang siya gumagawa, di ba?
Okay, smash basketball again. Number 24, Pyle. Bulls. Eye. 54, 40. Okay, number 20. Number 20, setting a play. Shot clock down the 12. 10 to shoot. I'm sorry. A pushing foul. Substitution. Second personal foul by number 4. Warning for penalty. Number 19. With number 20. Number 20 attack. And outside. Green ball. Okay, number 75, Garcia. Pass the number. Shot lock down 14. Garcia, sorry short. Turn outside. Okay, Maanggapo again. Number 20, pass the number. Number 3, Corpus. Shot lock down 14. Corpus, setting a play. Attack, all the power. Basket, play number 3, Corpus. Sorry. Whoa. Last 1 minute and 48 to play. Only third quarter. Okay, number 4. Vargas Tinky Gray. Sorry, I'm sorry. Last 1 minute and 35 to play. Okay, number 20. Number 20, and sorry. Foul, play number 17. First personal foul by number 17. Oh, sorry, 19. Ano, penalty situation. Basket for the Birds. Okay, last throw. And miss this time. 64-63. 1 point lead, smash basketball. Okay, this is a man-to-man situation. Number 1, Zoilo. He intercepts. And the ball goes to... Number 24, 2-and-2 situation. Up the glass basket. Another change. Pay for 66-65. 1 point lead, smash basketball. Number 3, Corpus. Corpus attack. Turn around, fade away, no good. And the ball goes to Green again. Number 19 pass to number 1. Zoilo, back pass. And the ball goes to number 20. Number 20. And sorry. Okay, number 75. Garcia, basket. 68-65. 3 point lead, Green. seconds. And outside. Last 4 seconds. Pass the number. And the end of third quarter. 68-67. 1 point lead. Smash basketball.
Kulit eh, na may meeting. May meeting after.
Ano next?
Okay, back to the ball game.
Digital na versus Ace daw next game mga boss.
Tatanong. Diba? Galing ka na.
Ano yung ganda?
Sabi mo kanina eh.
Okay, Malabo
Yung
ball.
next game boss, 5 Ace versus ano.
Ace Town. 5 Ace versus Ace Town next game.
Okay, this is the last quarter. Number 8. Pass to number 0. Now, pull-up jumper. Roll good. And the ball goes to Smash basketball again. Here we got number 1, Zoilo. Shot lock down to the beat. Ray.
Hey, kamay.
71-57. 4-point lead now, Smash basketball. Number 99 turnaround. Outside. Zane Ball. Okay, number 8. Another outside. Zane Ball. Shot clock down to 10. Number 0, no. Shot clock down to 5. Pass the number. 3 to shoot. Corpus. And serving. Available second shot clock violation.
5 na lang kanina eh.
Zoilo again! Sorry. Not this time. Okay, Maanlob again. Number 3, Corpus. Corpus setting a play. Shot lock down the bell. Corpus. Terminal. This one is good. 71-69. Down 2 points. Pass to number 75. Garcia. Look. This shot is good. 73-69. Back to 4 points. Number 3, Corpus. Corpus. Second play. Look at the ball game. Shot lock down to 8. And outside Zane Ball. 7 to shoot. Shot lock down to 7. Number 28. Extra pass to number 0. Go good. Block again. I'm sorry. A 24-second shot clock violation.
Agay.
A 24-second shot clock violation. Okay, number 24. Number 24, look to open man. Bypass. Number 8 to number 0. Two-in-three situation. Foul. Play number 7. First personal foul, play number 7. First team foul.
Nakabandi ka pa.
Okay, number 0 on the line. Basket. Okay, last throw. Missed this time. And the ball goes to black again. Number 28. Pass to number 3 to number 0. The five. Another miss. Outside. Save. Foul. Holding foul. Bay number 8. Nice one, Mr. Rep. Second personal foul. Bay number 8. First team foul. Last 7 minutes and 40 to play for the last quarter. Number 75. Okay, Corpus. Pass to number. Shot lock down to 16. To number 8. Number 8. Peter Zach. Okay, green again. Number 1, below again. Okay. Number 99, get the ball. One low again. Intercept. And number 4, basket. 75-70. 5-point lead. Smash basketball. Foul by number 3. Time out. Second personal foul by number 3. Second team foul. At sumandali, aayusin na tayo yung timer.
Sa baba, tingnan natin. Kasi hindi makita ang taktik eh. Team pa rin eh. Huwag na mula yung braso ng taktik eh. Wala. Hindi, kaya nga makula. Hindi mo, eh. Hindi mo na yun. Your skin is so very hard. Ha? Your skin is so very hard, ha? Okay, I call you later. Sabi mo, I call you later. Wala. Ito tayo eh. Pero pinag-question ko, ikot ako rin. Natin, pare ha, kahit maitim yun, muna natin. Yan natin, okay natin, kasi hindi makita. Sabi niya, pag nagtanong, mas tayo, may foul tayo. No.
Smash ball, di ba side ball? Side ball nga lang, di ba?
Maybe next time I call you later because your skin is so very... If your skin is red, it's okay, I call. Your skin is also continuation.
Sino ba kayo pa pumaul? Oo nga, area mo. Ako naman dito.
Tawagan din natin para si Negro, ha? Kung ano si Negro,
Ayaw ko lang dito. Alam mo malaki yun, binabanta ko yung bulang mo. Pag nakaangat mo mundo, pare, wala na nakakasabay ko.
Problema lang kasi ni Negro. Mahilig sa inyo mo ko.
Okay, back to the ball game. 75-70 is the score. 5-point lead. Under 6 minutes and 57 to the last quarter. What a game. Okay, number 22, Flores. Shot lock down to 14. Thinking great. Oh, good. Para po na na, sorry. Foul. Play number. Who's for that? 4, second personal foul by number 4. Second team foul. Okay, number 3. Corpus. Intercept by number 75. Okay, smash basketball again. Pass to number 8. Goal good. Ball goes good. Here comes number 20. Mario again. Number 20. Shot clock down to 16. Pass to number 20. 12 to shoot. Number 5. That means number 75 get the ball. Here comes smash basketball again. Number 22, put it past the number. And no good. Outside. Last 5 minutes and 56 to play to the last quarter. Okay, number 20. Cabuena, pass the number. To number 3, Corpus again. Shut down Calpel. Corpus, take it away. Substitution. Second personal foul by number 75. Third team foul. Okay, number 3, Corpus on the line. First throw basket.
Shoutout sa Bel.
Tulog ka na.
Tulog ka na para lumaki ka, Bel.
Okay, last throw.
Huwag ka pala matulog para di ka lumaki agad.
Miss Lisa. Oh, basket. Good back to number 5. 75-73 is the score. Down to 2 points. Here we got number 20 to plus and foul. Foul by number 20. Second personal foul by number 20. Third team foul.
Bel, tulog ka na.
Okay, number 22, Dolores. Dolores, pass the number. Shot clock down to 8. Point to shoot. Number 42, ball. And ball goes to black again. Here comes Milo Lobo. Number 22 to number 0. Number 0. Pass the number 20. Shot clock down to 14. 12 to shoot. Last 5 minutes exactly. And the ball goes to green again. Pass the number. Here we got number 22, Lawrence. Lawrence setting a play. Shot up down the road. Lawrence inside pass. Oh, the last basket. 77-73. 4-point lead. Smash basketball. Okay, number 20. Top win again. Inside pass to number 3. To number 0. Number 0. Basket. Number 0. 77-75. Back to 2 points. Okay, number 42. Ibang. Pass the number. To number 8. Inside pass. And outside. St. Paul. Shot clock down to 10. Last 4 minutes and 2 to play to the last quarter. Ball. No good. Rebound by number 0. Pass to number 20. To number 99, Fernandez. Shot clock down to 16. Corpus. 12 to shoot. 8 backside pass to number 0. Get a foul. Foul by number 0. Third personal foul by number 0. Warning for penalty. Okay, number 20. Shot clock down 10. Number 20. Look up and line inside pass. Intercept. And the ball goes in. Smash basketball again. To number 35, yeah. So, foul by number 5. 2, free throw. Number 5, warning. Warning for penalty and warning to graduate. basket for the Bulls.
Wala.
Okay, last throw.
Galing ko talaga sa bigay.
Last 3 minutes and 23 to play to the last quarter. What a game! We're playing second ball game. Nobody can stop me. Bay number 0, Loong. 78-77 is the score. I'm sorry. Foul. Bay number 3. Penalty is one. Third personal foul by number 3. Penalty situation. Okay, Garcia on the line. Basket for the Bulls.
Dart.
Okay,
Syempre.
last
Sabi
throw.
ko na, wala.
And basket. 80-77. Okay, number 20. Pass to number 5.
Ilan lang yan?
Lakban. Paano ba the loose ball? Lakban by Patrice. And the ball goes to number 72. Smash basketball again. Shot lock down to 12. Number 22, Flores. Flores to number 35. Extra pass. A foul. Foul by number 99. First personal foul by number 99. Penalty. Both team under penalty situation.
Ilang ano lang? 2 minutes? Tatlo lang.
Number 75 on the line. Basket for the Bulls.
Sisigaw pa.
Supply naman ah!
Okay, last throw.
Wala!
Basket again. Subdivision.
Yan.
Okay, Maanlopo again. Number 0. Pass to number 3. Corpus.
Wala siya!
Jump lock down 12. Corpus. Go inside. Extra pass. Sorry. Foul. Play number 72. Foul. Second personal foul by number 72. Penalty is wrong. Okay, both team under penalty situation. 82-77, 5-point lead. Last 2 minutes and 15. Miss for the
Hindi ako masyado
Bulls.
rinig yun.
Okay, last throw. And basket. 82-78, 4-point lead. Okay, number 22.
Wala!
Shot clock down to 14.
Wala!
10 to shoot. Next. The minute. Patrice. And the ball goes to Maanlopo again. Corpus. The number 99 Fernandez. Shot clock down to 14. The number 0. Long again. 10 to shoot. He goes in. And the ball goes to basket play. Number 72 basket. Last 1 minute and 32 to play. Lopo. Pass to number 22, Lopo. Lopo smash. Lays up. Corpus corrected back. 84-80. Down 4 points. Last 1 minute and 15 to play. Number 20 and sorry, 8 seconds violation. Excellent defense by number 0,
Great defense.
One game.
Yabawi ko
One
yan.
point. Ball game. Okay, number 2. Pass to number 99. Shot clock down 16. Number 99 to number 0. Oh, but miss. Sorry. Outside Zane Ball. Last 59 seconds. But looking. And Zoe. Another foul. Foul by number 75. Third personal foul by number 75. On the penalty situation.
Tayo ko ang kontrata.
$84-80 is the score. 4-point lead. Smash basketball. 56 seconds to the last quarter.
55 nga, kaso mahaba pa yan kung gagawa talaga sila.
Game on the ball. Warning for the lead.
Hindi, yan maganda yung makapasok sa dalawa.
Okay, number 0 on the line. Miss for the Spurs. Okay, last throw. Last throw, jumpers ready. And basket. 84-81. Down 3 points. Now foul. Shot clock down to 18. And outside.
Uy, akala ka na. Lumo.
Okay, number. Shot clock down to 15. Pass the number. Number 22. 10 to shoot. 40 seconds. 5 to shoot. Number 72. Black. Outside. Black ball. Last 33 seconds. Basket play. And the ball goes to number 3. Corpus again. Corpus 5. Miss. And the ball goes to number 35. 24 seconds. 20. And foul by number 99. Second personal foul by number 99. Penalty. Substitution. Okay, number 22, Flores on the line. Miss for the Spurs. Okay, last throw.
Sablay!
Another miss. 15 seconds. Goal. Pass to number 0. Timeout. Smash basketball.
Numero
84.
1.7.
84-83 is the score. 1 point lead. What
Ba't
a
nung nakaraan? 3
game.
seconds na natin.
What a very exciting ball game.
Di ba naalala mo sila ng nag-all pa, di ba?
Pwede sila mag-call. Tawid na yan, idol. Tawid mo. 1 seconds lang. Hindi, tawid na tayo.
Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, both team, meron na lang kayong tig-isang timeout. Last 4.6.
Nakabahan ako.
Last 4.6 seconds. Ayan, buzzer na lang ang maririnig natin. Last 4.6. Pass number 75. Pass timeout. 86-83 is the score. 3-point lead. Last 3.3 seconds. Last 3.3.
Ito.
Ay, mga mangyayari yung OT na yun ah.
Hindi. Ilan na lang ngayon? 3.
Logi, 3 team na naman.
Maganda yung ano nila nakarami.
Alay mo dito.
Last 3.
Sino bang... Ay, bola kanino?
Sila.
Ah, pwede. Kala ko hindi eh.
Important play. Last 3.3. Number 0. Ball.
Tingkit na lang.
Congratulations. Smash. Basketball.
Okay, stop ko na. Panalo ang smash, guys.